This video is an introduction to how cables are represented in OZmap. The first thing we need to know is that cables are dictated by two characteristics within the system, the level and the type. Under level, you can define whether it's a drop cable, distribution cable, backbone cable, or whatever you want to call it, for example, primary or secondary. You can define them here in the system settings, and this is what will appear in the map layer so that you can filter the view. Each level can have several types. For example, a distribution level can have an X model, another with a Y brand, have several types of distribution cables with different numbers of looses and fibers, and so on. To define these types, just go to the Cable Types menu here. You'll notice that there's a great variety, and that it's also marked by a color difference. And to find out more about these types of cable and how to create them, we have other videos about them here on the channel. Here on the map, we can already see this difference in representation by color and thickness. Obligatorily, all cables always start with a fixed point element. So, for example, a pop, a box, or a client, and end at another fixed point, which makes the cable supported. And with each element it passes through, there is a break. In other words, here we count 3 different cables, and not a continuity of a single cable passing through several boxes. Each cable has a different name, a different treatment, and different properties. Inside each box, each cable is represented by its name. It's then seen by this structure here, in which each rectangle of these grouped fibers is a loose tube, and each fiber is represented by this wire and a little ball at the end. For more videos on cables, check out our channel.